Hey, this is Kamranu from ASH Agentic AI. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, advanced businesses rely entirely on automation, and adding AI agents makes them even more advanced. If you know this skill, you will be highly respected and valuable in the market. For this purpose, n8n is the most powerful tool to build intelligent self-running workflows. A lot of people want to learn n8n, but heavy monthly subscriptions becomes a massive bottleneck for beginners and agency startups. That's why I'm going to launch a completely free n8n Masterclass. We are going to build everything step by step, taking you from beginner or scratch level to a production level developer. So guys, must watch my all videos and must subscribe my channel. Guys, I'm going to share a complete roadmap of this Masterclass, so let's come on the screen. So guys, this is the roadmap of n8n Masterclass, and there are the 5 steps through which we are going to set up our n8n as a local host, and after that we are going to learn complete automations on n8n at production level. So starting from point 1, I would like to tell you something about these points little bit. Number 1, production grade local setup. How to configure n8n locally to securely test and run thousands of complex workflows completely free without any monthly software subscriptions. So guys, here we are going to run our n8n on localhost because the monthly subscription of n8n is expensive. So that's why we are going to set up it on localhost. So I will show you the charges. Well, on the screen you can see the n8n, and you can get 15 days free trial, but after 15 days you will be unable to work on the n8n. So I'm going to take you on the pricing tab where you can see the plan of the n8n. Well, you can see here the minimum plan of the n8n is from $20 to $800. So to learning purpose, I don't recommend you to buy this, because there is a facility available through which we can learn agentic AI automation workflows on n8n without monthly subscriptions. So you can get all the features on n8n through localhost setup, and you can build thousands of workflows over it, and you can test it. But the only difference you will find in n8n localhost and n8n cloud, that whenever you turn off your laptop, your workflow or automation is not supposed to run, because in this setup we don't have any hosting. So hosting will be needed when you are working for the client, but on the testing level you don't need any hosting, because in this phase you are going to learn n8n and you are going to build automation workflows, agentic AI automation workflows for testing purpose. So in this step we are going to learn how to set up our n8n on localhost so that we can save monthly subscription charges. The second step will be mastering integrations and webhooks. Before we build workflows, we will learn how to securely bridge our local setup to external platforms like Google, Meta and CRMs. So guys, before building automation workflows, we must learn how to securely bridge, how to securely connect our local setup, I mean n8n localhost, to external platforms like Meta and CRMs, because if you don't know this skill, you are not supposed to build automation workflows. So you must know how to integrate the two applications and webhooks. On the third step, we will learn understanding core nodes, logic loops, data formatting, and essential error handling to keep workflows running smoothly. So guys, on third step we will go into the deep of the n8n nodes so that we can understand the basic setting of the nodes, how it works and how the data is formatted, and how to handle basic errors, and how to keep our workflow smoothly running. So guys, on the fourth step, advanced agentic AI and memory. This is the core of the channel. We will integrate large language models, AI agents and vector databases to build bots that can think, remember and take actions. So guys, in this step we will learn how to integrate the LLM models like Gemini, ChatGPT, Grok, etc. We will learn to add AI agents, how AI agent works, vector databases to build bots, and intelligent AI agent which can think, remember and take actions. On the fifth step, Real world client projects. The final phase will focus entirely on building complete deployment ready automation systems that you can sell to real businesses. So guys, in the last phase, we are going to learn how to build an intelligent agentic AI automation orchestrator for the production level. So we are supposed to learn n8n in a way that we can sell our workflows to a client. So guys, subscribe my channel so that you can get all the upcoming videos. Thank you.